I love it!
Looks like everybody's ready!
Oh, Mickey, I just love the friendship fair. A day of joy and music and having fun together.
That's right! We traveled far and wide, inviting new friends to today's celebration.
It was a long journey.
We crossed rivers and rode forests.
To bring all sorts of friends together in celebration of what makes this kingdom really unique.
All right!
Come on, everyone. It's time to officially kick off the magical friendship fair. Let's go!
All right! I can't wait!
Today is going to be such a wonderful, wonderful day. Oh,
Oh boy! I hear our first guest coming now!
There's a sound that is singing way down on the river, where the women are very pretty and on the Many River. They got music, it's always playing, starting the daytime, go all night. When you hear that music playing, hear what I'm saying, makes you feel alright.
Allow me to introduce my new pals from the land of the bewitching bayous. Flynn, Naveen, and Tiana.
It's great to meet ya!
Oh, the land of the bewitching bayous. What's that like?
It's a land of dreams, good cooking,
And jazz!
Oh, Louis loves playing jazz with the big boys.
Sounds like a swinging good time to me.
Hit it, Louis!
Now why are you standing way over there? Come and join the Jubilee.
Gosh, well, I ain't got much to add to the party. I'm not good at tap dancing or playing the ukulele.
But everyone's got something to add. A party's like a big pot of gumbo. It takes all the different flavors coming together to make it good.
Really?
She's right, my tall friend. You've got to let loose and cut her up.
Gosh.
You never know what you can do till you try.
You know what Mama Odie would say if she were here. You gotta dig a little deeper to find out who you are. Don't matter what you look like. Don't matter what you wear. How many rings you got on your finger. We don't care.
Oh, we don't care. Doesn't matter where you come from. Doesn't even matter who you are. Big, small, short, tall. We got 'em all in here.
And they all knew what they wanted us to do. Told them
know where that came from. Come on, everybody.
Hot dog! They sure are a fun group.
Like Tiana said, they're the bees.
Aw, say, who do you think Donald and Daisy brought?
Oh, I bet they're just delightful. Oh, my! Attention, everybody! I now need to introduce our distinguished guests from the land of the enchanted woodland. Distinguished guests?
From the land of the enchanted woodlands?
And the last speaker my friends. It's a pleasure to meet you, gentlemen.
How you done? It's a pleasure. It's all mine.
How nice.
Out of my way! My turn! Stop!
Almost time down.
Watch it, buddy. We do what we want when we want. Just like at the Snuggly Duckling.
Who you got in a snuggly duckling?
Ow!
Oh no! Honey, hold on!
Let go of him! My brother!
What is happening?
God, you know.
Flynn!
I told you, you can't take them anywhere.
Donald Duck, what have you done? After we met Rapunzel and Flynn, we agreed to invite them, not these ruffians.
Ruffians!
1 minute we were together and the next I turned around and you were gone. What happened? Hey, Daisy, I'm sorry. You ruined everything.
I know these boys. They seem a bit rough around the edges, but they're not so bad.
Blondie's right. They grow on you after a while. Kind of like a fungus.
They all have dreams, just like you and me.
They do?
Oh, yes, they do.
He's malicious, mean, and scary. His sneer could curdle dairy. And violence-wise, his hands are not the cleanest.
But despite his evil...
What about you?
I've always wanted to try new things and make new friends.
Those are beautiful dreams.
I got a dream! I got a dream! I got a dream!
Our differences are really not extreme.
Call us brutal, sadistic, and grotesquely optimistic. 'Cause we're not even trying, we got a dream. I 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 got a dream.
You're right! They're not as bad as they seem! So, did I do a good job? You did a very good job!
Way to go, buddy. Now you want to throw it.
Hooray!
Come on. Yeah.
What a nice group of ruffians!
And what a great bunch of dreams!
Oh goodness, Mickey, look at the time! We should begin the grand celebration!
Hang on a minute, Minnie. I've got a special surprise for you.
You do?
You see, I know there's someone you always wanted to meet, from the land of the Mystic Mountains.
Oh, Mickey! Could it be?
Wow! They're not gonna believe this back home.
But
Look at all the people. Hello, people. And I can't wait to see what my buddies all think of me. Hello. I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
hi, Olaf.
Olaf? Olaf, there you are. We were worried.
Why? Were you lost?
No, Olaf, you were.
But I'm right here with my new friends. This is... And you are...
Why, I'm Mickey Mouse.
And this is... And you are...
I'm Minnie.
Good. This is Anna and Elsa. They're sisters.
Oh my, it's an honor to meet you. Please, the honor is all ours. We're so excited to be here. From the moment I heard your story, I admired you both so much. Oh, I wish I could be more like you. But being just who you are is perfect. Everyone has their own unique talents that make them special. You just have to believe that you do. That's true. Anything is possible when you have someone you love by your side. That's me.
I want to be there too.
I've learned that you just have to remember to be true to yourself.